Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. Mississippi Sound, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, South Mobile Bay. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lillian Bridge to Pensacola Beach to near East Bay, moving southwest at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Big Lagoon, Pensacola Pass, Sand Island Lighthouse, Fort Pickens, Bon Sucre Bay, Farewell Buoy, Middle Bay Light, Heron Bay, Pensacola Bay Bridge and Perdido Pass. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, Perdido Bay Area. Coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles. And waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles.